Today, we're going to build a Tron light cycle using 7 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 1x2 jumper plate. Now, I'm making my light cycle in red, but you can clearly choose whatever color you want from the TRON franchise. But I've got my 1x2 jumper plate. And then I'm going to grab 2 of these 1x1 plates with ring. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put those plates with rings on the bottom of my jumper plate on both ends. So just both ends on the opposite sides to create the wheels of my light cycle. And now, if you look at the wheels, they're huge. And so to give that kind of look at the larger wheels in micro scale, I'm going to get 4 of these 1x1 round plates with hole in the stud. And I'm just going to put those on all 4 sides of these ring clips. So 1, 2, 1, 2. And then here's our completed light cycle. Now, these things are really small, but if you want to, if you're creating a scene, you can grab like a translucent tile piece or grill piece in these translucent colors and just put it behind the Tron cycle to look like it's got its light trail going behind it.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.